world of colors. I'm Colors. I've got a surprise for you today. I found the Eastergnome plaques at the Dollar Tree. I'm so excited that I found them, and I thought a long time about what I wanted to do with them because they are hard to find. They're a little treasure. I don't see them at a lot of the Dollar Trees that I've been to. I found them at one, so I'm really fortunate to get them. And I wanted to show you what supplies we're going to use to stack them up. And this is what we're going to use. I've got it right here on the table. So what we're going to use for this project today, we need to get 3 lilacs. I've got them here in the lilac color and the blue color and the white color. And that's what I'm going to be using, those colors of lilacs. And then you want to get 3 of the little baskets. 2 of the little baskets in purple and white. And then 1 of the little baskets in the blue and the pink color. And then you're going to need the package of pom-pom, the white pom-pom kit. You're going to make up 3 noses in the white or off-white felt. And you're going to need some fur, about 6 by 9 inch piece of white fur to make 3 mustaches. And then the door hangers in purple, blue, and pink in the door hangers. And we're going to blush out the noses with the blush. This is the felt that you're going to need to make the noses. That's what you're going to need to make the entire project. Today we're just going to be making 1 because they're all going to be done the same. So I'm going to be back in a minute to show you what the project's going to be, and then we'll go on to make the 1 gnome up for the project so we can put them all together. We're going to stack them up. I'm ready to make the 1 gnome. So we're going to make the middle gnome on the wreath. It's the one that says welcome, and it's made the same way as the other 2 gnomes in the wreath. So I'm going to start by showing you how to make the nose. You just want to take your piece of felt. I'm using an 8-inch piece of off-white fleece. You can use off-white or white, and you want to make a pretty good size nose to go on there. And you just want to take some polyester fiber fill about the size that you want the nose and put it in the middle of your felt or your fleece and push it up with your thumb like that. And take your rubber band and go around it. Like that. And then what you want to do is take your scissors and cut off the rest of the fabric. About like that. And you have your nose. So I just wanted to show you how we did the nose. And then what we want to do is go ahead and make the mustache. You want to take your 1.5 inch by 6 inch piece of white fur, and I've got this kind of combed out on the sides. And what we want to do is we want to take the tape off, and we want to glue that down. We want it to be about half that size. So we'll glue that down like that. I've got it all ready to be glued on, and we're going to glue it on just below the nose above the welcome. We're going to put a little bit of glue on there. Just above the welcome there. You're going to get a little bit onto the nose. We'll use some hairspray to get this to set up a little nicer. And it is what we want to do next is we want to take our nose and take some of the blush and blush out the nose. Well, try to do that away from your project a little bit so you don't get it all over everything. So you want to take it and blush out your nose. So we got the blush on the nose now. We're gonna go ahead and glue it on. You want to glue it down towards the mustache. We're going to be putting things up here to camouflage that part of the nose up here. So we'll put it down there towards the mustache. Apply some pressure to it for a couple minutes and I'll be right back. So I've got the nose attached, and the next thing I want to do is to take our doorbell hanger and take the pink bow off of it. Kind of pull. You might have to cut a little bit too. Get your pink bow off of there. Like that. And then we want to take the pink bow and glue it right down onto where you can see the nose on the plaque to camouflage that right there. So we're just going to glue that right there. And then while that's setting up, I'll get the flowers ready that go on the other side of the nose. The lilacs, I cut off some pieces from the flowers I showed you earlier. And then we're going to make them even smaller. I make one a little bigger for the back. Put this one on first. It really doesn't matter which color you put on first. So we're going to put the last piece of lilac on there. Like that. And then we're going to take a couple bells. We're going to do a pink one and just glue that right underneath the bow here and have the pink one kind of drop down. underneath that ribbon there. And that one drops down like that. And then take the turquoise one and you cut that pretty short. And it goes right here underneath the hand. So you just want to glue it right in there. And then the next thing we want to do is go ahead and put the little bunny. I had my granddaughter make this up for me today. This is just an easy little bunny that you make from the pom-pom kit from Dollar Tree. You get 6 little kits and you make up the little bunny. And that's what I used on all the Easter plaques. So I want to go ahead and put the bunny right there on the hand. He's holding his little Easter bunny. And that's going to set up while we do the basket. I'm going to put the basket, the pink and yellow basket. And we'll put this on the other hand. I can get to my glue gun here. We're just going to go ahead and put some glue right on this beautiful plaque and put our basket right on there and let that set up. And the last thing I want to do to it is to take this Testors Glitter Burst paint and go ahead and do the nose with it. You just want to put some glitter on the nose. Get that covered pretty good with the glitter. And I also put a little bit of glitter on the bow tie of the bunny and the ears. You can get this Glitter Burst paint at hardware stores that carry the Rust-Oleum paints. This is Testors Craft Paint. It's made by Rust-Oleum. You can also order it on Amazon. So this is a pretty nice. If you order it on Amazon, you can get a whole kit of different colors of the Glitter Burst paint, which is really nice to have. So this is how the plaque turns out. This is the middle plaque again that goes on the wreath, and you do all the plaques the same way. And then all the baskets line up and all the bunnies line up when you do the wreath. And you just want to attach them here at the top of the hat, and I'll take you over to the wreath and show you now how we attach them together. So what you want to do on the wreath is go ahead and take and attach the pink bunny to the purple bunny right there at the top of the nose there. You see how I've got it glued right into there? And then go ahead and glue it again down here with the nose on top so you can get that all glued together. And it turns out really cute having them stacked like that. And like I said, I'm going to use this on my French doors. So it's going to be really pretty out there at Easter time. So that's what I did with my Eastergnome plaques. And it was really a fun project. I'm really happy. It cost me $13 to do that wreath. So pretty budget conscious. So thanks a lot for coming. I appreciate you watching the video today. If you like, make sure to like. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe.